Have you ever considered the environmental impact of a skyscraper or a simple concrete driveway? Traditional building materials like concrete and steel come with a hefty environmental price tag. The extraction, manufacturing and transportation of these materials contribute significantly to greenhouse gas emissions and pollution. Thankfully, a new wave of eco-friendly building materials promises a more sustainable future for construction. These materials, often sourced from nature itself, offer a compelling alternative to their conventional counterparts. The construction industry stands at a crossroads. Climate change is a pressing global issue, and buildings are major contributors to greenhouse gas emissions. As awareness of our environmental impact grows, so does the demand for greener practices across all industries, including construction. Sustainable construction is no longer a choice, it is an imperative. By embracing eco-friendly materials and practices, we can mitigate the environmental footprint of buildings and create a healthier planet. From rapidly renewable bamboo to highly versatile hemp, the future of building is brimming with innovative materials. Bamboo, with its incredible strength and rapid growth cycle, has long been a staple in sustainable construction, particularly in Asia. Hemp, another versatile plant, offers similar strength and insulation properties. Mycelium, the root structure of fungi, presents a fascinating alternative for lightweight and compostable building blocks. Recycled materials like plastics and glass are finding new life as durable and aesthetically pleasing building components. These materials, often certified by organizations like the Forest Stewardship Council (FSC) or Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design (LEED), represent a departure from the harmful practices of the past. The advantages of eco-friendly building materials extend far beyond their environmental benefits. Buildings constructed with these materials boast a reduced carbon footprint, minimizing their impact on climate change. Many of these materials offer superior insulation, leading to reduced energy consumption for heating and cooling. Improved indoor air quality is another significant benefit, as natural materials often lack the volatile organic compounds, VOCs, found in conventional building products. Furthermore, materials like bamboo and hemp exhibit impressive durability and longevity, ensuring the structural integrity of buildings for generations to come. Section 5. Building Green in Action Case Studies of Sustainable Architecture. The effectiveness of eco-friendly building materials is evident in numerous successful projects worldwide. The Bullitt Center in Seattle, Washington stands as a testament to sustainable design. This 6-story office building, constructed with timber and other sustainable materials, generates more energy than it consumes, setting a new standard for green architecture. In Rotterdam, the Netherlands, the floating pavilion showcases the potential of innovative materials like bio-based plastics in creating stunning and sustainable structures. These projects demonstrate that eco-friendly construction is not only environmentally responsible but also aesthetically inspiring. Section 6. The future is now biomimicry and the evolution of eco-building. As technology advances, the field of eco-building continues to push boundaries. Biomimicry, the practice of drawing inspiration from nature's designs, is emerging as a revolutionary concept in sustainable architecture. Imagine buildings that mimic the self-healing properties of living organisms, repairing cracks and damage autonomously. This cutting-edge research holds immense potential for creating buildings that are not only environmentally friendly, but also incredibly resilient and long-lasting. Section 7. Beyond Bamboo. Emerging Frontiers in Sustainable Materials. The world of eco-friendly building materials extends far beyond the familiar territory of bamboo and hemp. Scientists and engineers are constantly developing new and innovative materials with remarkable properties. Researchers are exploring the use of algae-based bioplastics for transparent roofing elements, offering a sustainable alternative to conventional plastics. Agricultural waste, like rice husks and straw, is being transformed into durable and fire-resistant building panels, providing an eco-friendly solution for waste management and construction. Section 8. Investing in a greener tomorrow. The economic case for eco-construction. The perception of eco-friendly construction as a costly endeavor is rapidly changing. While the initial investment in sustainable materials might be slightly higher in some cases, the long-term economic benefits are undeniable. Energy savings from improved insulation can significantly reduce operational costs over the building's lifespan. The durability of these materials translates into lower maintenance expenses and a longer lifespan for the structure. Moreover, government incentives and growing consumer demand for green buildings are making eco-friendly construction an increasingly attractive investment. Section 9. A call to action. Building a sustainable future. Brick by Eco-Brick. The future of construction rests on our collective commitment to sustainability. By embracing eco-friendly building materials and practices, we can reduce the environmental impact of the built environment and create healthier, more resilient spaces for generations to come. Architects, builders, policymakers, and consumers all have a role to play in this critical transition. Let us choose to build a future where sustainability is not just an aspiration, but the very foundation upon which our cities and towns